You know that feeling when your brain has 27 tabs open? That's literally what running an e-commerce brand feels like. You're switching between product updates, influencer campaigns, ad budgets, supplier emails, and somehow you're expected to stay organized and creative at the same time. That's why tools like ClickUp and Notion exist. They're supposed to make your life easier. But everyone's always asking which one actually works better for e-commerce. I'm Erin from Ecom Mastery, and today we are breaking it all down. What each platform actually does, how they feel to use, which one's better for your team setup, and how to choose the one that'll make you more productive instead of overwhelmed. And don't worry, this isn't another boring pros and cons list. This is the kind of breakdown I wish someone gave me before I wasted weeks switching between apps. What these tools actually do. Let's keep it simple. ClickUp is where you do the work. Notion is where you make sense of the work. ClickUp is structured, detailed, and visual. It's made for managing projects, tracking deadlines, and assigning tasks. If you've got a team, especially overseas, this is your control tower. Notion is your second brain. It's flexible, visual, and calming. You can brainstorm, build databases, and track your ideas in one place. If ClickUp is your factory, Notion is your design studio. You need both structure and creativity to actually scale your brand. All right, so first thing you want to do is click the link down below and it'll bring you to ClickUp's homepage. You'll see this clean purple layout. It's modern and straight to the point. All you do to sign up is enter your email, set a password, and then you are in. All you do is enter your email, set a password, and you are in. ClickUp doesn't dump a million features on you. It eases you by asking what kind of work you do, whether it's project management, marketing, development, e-commerce, and that's what I like. It builds around you, not the other way around. Within 2 minutes, you've got your dashboard ready. It's like walking into a clean office with labels on every drawer instead of piles of sticky notes. Now let's talk pricing because this is where people usually freeze. You'll see 4 plans: the free forever, unlimited, business, and enterprise. So let's break them down in real life terms, not in tech jargon. ClickUp's free forever plan is actually solid. You get unlimited tasks, members, and spaces, no weird limits like other platforms. It's perfect if you're solo or testing ClickUp for your brand. You can organize your product photo shoots, ad scripts, and launches all for free. But here is the catch. It does not include automations or dashboards, which means everything is manual. You'll be moving cards, checking off tasks, and assigning things by hand. It works beautifully for new Shopify owners or small side hustles. I used it when I was managing just me and one virtual assistant. We tracked every video post, campaign, and deliverable, and it was smooth. The unlimited plan is $7 per user per month. This is where ClickUp gets powerful. You unlock automations, dashboards, integrations, everything that saves time. For example, if your designer uploads a new image, ClickUp can automatically assign it to you for review, or if a product status changes to approved, it can automatically ping your fulfillment team. So that's the kind of automation that replaces micromanagement. You also get integrations with Slack, Google Drive, and Loom, so you can embed videos, feedback, and documents all in one dashboard. For e-commerce teams with a few freelancers or VAs, this is the plan that changes your workflow overnight. $7 a month is cheaper than a latte, and it'll keep your team actually communicating instead of guessing. The business plan is $12 per user per month. If you've got a few moving parts like a content team, marketing team, and logistics, this plan is worth every penny. It adds time tracking, workload views, and goal tracking. Basically, you'll always know who's overloaded and who's free. You can create dashboards that show how long tasks take, who's behind, and where your bottlenecks are. And you can automate things like if a product issue is tagged urgent, assign to support lead instantly. This plan turns ClickUp into your real-time operations hub. It's built for people managing multiple stores, clients, or teams. At $12 per month, it's like hiring a virtual project manager who never forgets deadlines or misses updates. Then we have the enterprise plan. You can skip this one unless you're running multiple brands or managing agencies. It adds enterprise level security, onboarding, and compliance. Most of us won't need it until we're hitting multi-six figures in revenue with a full-time staff. Now let's move on to Notion. When you first log in, you're greeted by a blank white page, and that's what scares people. It looks empty, but that blank page is where you build your dream workspace. You can use templates to make it less intimidating. Things like e-commerce tracker, campaign planner, or team wiki. Notion gives you total freedom to build it up your way. There's no rigid setup, no rules. It's basically a blank slate for your brain. All right, same deal. Notion has 4 plans: free, plus, business, and enterprise. The free plan gives you unlimited pages, blocks, and notes. That means you can literally build your entire brand HQ for free. Content calendars, SOPs, product libraries, you name it. You get basic sharing and comments and even a trial of Notion AI, but you'll hit limits with file uploads, 5 MB max, and team collaboration. Still, for solopreneurs or early stage stores, this plan is unbeatable. It's basically your digital notebook that never gets messy. The plus plan is $10 per member per month. This one is really big for small teams. You get unlimited uploads, version history, and collaboration tools. It's perfect for stores with a VA or small creative team. You can link your product catalog, campaign ideas, and customer service templates all connected in one workspace. You can also embed Shopify dashboards or Google Sheets directly inside of Notion. So instead of opening 10 tabs, you see everything at the same time. I'd call this plan the sweet spot for 2 to 5 person e-commerce teams because it's enough freedom to customize, but enough power to feel professional. The business plan is $20 per member per month. Now we're talking established brands. This plan gives you advanced permission, private team spaces, and more admin control. So if you have marketing operations and design teams, each can have their own workspace while you still oversee everything. It's built for structure without losing Notion's simplicity. So it's perfect for scaling Shopify stores, doing 100,000 to 500,000 a year. You can assign editing access, restrict sensitive data, and manage workflows without confusion. At this level, Notion feels more like a company intranet, calm, clean, but powerful. The enterprise plan, this is Notion for corporations with dedicated support, audit logs, and compliance tools. You probably don't need it yet unless you're managing multiple brands or big teams. How Notion keeps you organized with databases. Now let's talk about the secret sauce, Notion's databases. They are not just tables, they are living, breathing dashboards that store everything. Images, links, prices, supplier info, tasks, even analytics. Say you're tracking suppliers, you can list each one, their MOQ, lead times, and reliability score. Then link it to your product catalog so every product automatically connects to its supplier. Or for influencer marketing, create a database with columns for deliverables, payment status, and engagement rates. You'll never chase information again. It's not busy work, it's a system that makes your business smarter every week. How ClickUp helps you manage overseas teams. ClickUp shines when you've got people all over the map. You can assign tasks across time zones, track who's done what, and automate progress updates. Imagine waking up in LA and seeing what your design team in Manila finished overnight. There's no meetings, no chaos, and no 4 a.m. Slack messages. Its structure meets sanity. So if you manage freelancers or remote staff, this is the biggest productivity unlock you'll ever find. Why Notion? AI isn't complicated, it's a shortcut. People always say that Notion is too complicated, but honestly, that's just because they are not using Notion AI. So when you open it, Notion AI asks you, what do you want to build? You can say, create a product launch tracker, write a blog post outline or summarize my meeting notes, and it'll build everything like templates, formatting, layouts in seconds. So let's do an example. Let's say create a TikTok content calendar for skincare products. Click enter, and now it is crafting everything. You see at the top, TikTok skincare content calendar. So right now what it's doing is it's creating columns for date platforms. Awesome. So as it's creating its database, you can see publish date. All right. So now it says, I created a TikTok content calendar database for your skincare products. So I am going to click skincare TikTok calendar. So we can see the content title, the CTA, content type, your goal, your hook, the link, notes, platform, product, everything. So boom, it really just gives you everything. It's not replacing creativity, but so overall, it's really helping with productivity. It's not replacing that creativity. It's removing the setup friction. And so Notion AI makes organization feel really effortless. Another example, let's say you are a recruiter and you want to interview several candidates, but you want to make sure everything is organized. What you can do is you can ask Notion AI, again, create a database for candidates. So here I have my candidate hub. You can see the pipeline. So this is just essentially like keeping everything organized. They have a calendar. So you could say like, hey, interview Aaron on the 27th. You can have different boards. So you can see who is on the phone screen, who's interviewing, who has an offer, who was officially hired, or who was rejected. So yeah, I mean, essentially, I think the database is really helpful if you're using Notion AI, and then you can always ask it to add more columns or anything that you prefer to make your team tasks a little bit more efficient. Real world comparison. So how do you actually pick between them? If you're solo, go with Notion. It's simple, calming, and helps you think clearly. If you've got a team, go with ClickUp. It keeps everyone accountable and automates the craziness. If you're doing both, use both. Notion can be your creative brain, while ClickUp can be your operational backbone. It's not either or, it's both and. Pricing psychology, picking based on your stage. Let's be honest, you don't need the biggest plan. You need the right one for the stage that you're at. If you're still building, use Notion free or ClickUp free. Don't overcomplicate it. If you're hiring help, upgrade to Notion Plus or ClickUp Unlimited. If you're scaling multiple campaigns, move to ClickUp Business or Notion Business. Every upgrade should feel like you're buying back your time, not spending it. If a tool saves you 2 hours a week, it's already paid for itself. Final take, Notion is for clarity, ClickUp is for control. If you're still building your systems, Notion helps you design them. If you're scaling and managing people, ClickUp helps you run them. There are different tools for different seasons, but together they're unbeatable. So that's the real breakdown of ClickUp versus Notion for e-commerce management. ClickUp keeps your team productive, while Notion keeps your brain creative, and together they help your business feel organized instead of chaotic. If this helped, drop a comment telling me which one you use or which one you are switching to. I'm Erin from Ecom Mastery, and I'll see you in the next one.